How to change the voice in OBS Studio. Hello everyone, and let's get started. You can use a range of different AI voices in the OBS Studio. However, you have to use or install another application for the voice changer. Since the OBS Studio itself do not have inbuilt voice changers, there are different kinds of softwares that you can use and integrate it with the OBS Studio. To do so, you just have to open any of your browser and go to voice changer. Hereby, you will see different types of options such as real-time AI voice changer, voice node, voice AI, voice mode, and much more. You just have to tap on any of them and install it on the device itself. This will require you to download and set it up on your computer. Once you have set up the computer for the voice changer, now you can integrate it with the OBS Studio. It is quite easy to do so you just have to open your OBS Studio. Click on File, then go on Settings. From there, you have to select the option of Audio, which is on the fourth option. Now from the global audio devices, switch into microphone array or virtual mic. Once you have set up, make sure to choose it for desktop audio as well. This way, you have integrated the hardware for the virtual voice AI. After that, you can click on Apply and OK and you're good to go. Additionally, there is another way by which you can change as well. For that, what you have to do is under Sources, you have the option of Settings or a gear icon. You have to tap on it, and tapping on it will open a new interface. From the device, select Virtual Speaker and click on OK. Now you can easily and seamlessly change the voices in OBS Studio using the voice changer. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.